So welcome to another Machine Monday. Obviously you do multiple processes. What are the ones that you're like, okay, that's cool, I'm happy with that? Or like, not that again. Yes. What is that?
I'll say the best job I like to do here is a cathedral. Is when you work with the 4th axis, then you put another axis on the machine. Okay. And you don't work with 3 axes anymore, you work now with 4th axis. There's another axis that comes with it. The ones I hate is there's a final tool that we have to cut out 2 holes on, and the setup on that alone is about, say, 4 hours.
Oh wow!
And then you only cut like 20 minutes.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, that's
painful. So following on from our previous Machine Monday where we spoke to Jonathan about the lathe, today I'm with Brendan, and Brendan is one of our CNC operators. Brendan's been with Jendamark for the last 5 years, going on to 6 years. He's been an artisan for 9 years.
Your main thing is check that your setup is 100% right. And rather check it 3 or 4 or 5 times over and cut only once, then not doing your checks and scrap a job and then you have to do it a few times over again. You'll call up your edge finder. Edge finder is the tool that you pick up your job with.
Yeah.
Before calling up your edge finder, you will take your clock, your finger clock, and you will put it in the machine. And then with your finger clock, you will check if your job is straight. If it's not straight, you will have to maybe skim the top, like this specific job now.
They're obviously checking how flat it is, but that looks really,
you see
that looks really flat.
That's within 10 microns, so that's flat. And yeah, so if you get that right, you do your edge finding. Edge finding is checking your job to show your machine where the part is. If that's right, then you check your program that your datum on your program and your datum on your machine is exactly the same. You can't go wrong. Okay. This is still a rough part. It still needs to go for stress sleeve. After stress sleeve, it comes back for semi-final. Then it goes for hardening, and after hardening, we final, and then it gets final grind. So 10 microns is good. Okay. I'll say within 50 microns is still fine.
All right. Okay.
For this process now.
Yeah. Brendan, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Good luck, man.